Hi, my name is Ayush Kumar. I live in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I did my graduation from Ekta University in BTech Computer Science in 2023. But due to my some personal reasons, I couldn't find any job from my college placement team. Then I came to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd from one of my friend. It is an IT recruitment and consultancy company. Here I joined internship program where I learn about CCNA, ITIL, Windows Server, Office 365, etc. Then I found a job in media company and my package is 3.10 LPA and my payroll company name is Logo Staffing Solutions Private Limited. I am very thankful to Vision team that helped me to find a job. I also suggest freshers to join Evision if they couldn't find any IT job in market. So Evision will help you, and it is best choice from my side. And thank you.